My dear friends, viewers and subscribers, hope everyone is very fine and you are enjoying your lives. This is Mehak and today I come with a new video, and the title of my video is 7 Logic for Lovely Life. Friends, in this video I am going to tell you that the 7 super tips you must adopt in your life in order to enjoy your life. So the first super tip is that don't think too much about your past. It may spoil your present and future also. So friends, it is very important for you that don't occupy your brain with the past thoughts. Past has gone, it will never come back. Just remain in present, enjoy your present and make your future brighter. And the second logic for the lovely life is that don't compare yourself with other people. You never know what's the journey of their lives. Like friends, every person is unique in himself or herself. God has created all of us and every person has some different traits from the other human beings. So comparisons, if you are doing the comparison, this is a reason of anxiety and depression. Don't compare yourself. Give some appreciation words to yourself. You are very different, you are very beautiful, you are the lovely creatures of the God. So give some appreciation and praiseworthy compliments to yourself and never and ever compare your life with any another person. Third, a logic for the lovely life is that time heals everything. Give the time. So friends, somehow that in this present times, in the COVID-19 pandemic, we are thinking about we are jobless, we don't have anything to do. But remember one thing, if you are in a mental trauma and you are facing any difficulties, don't think that it will remain in your life permanently. Everything is temporary and you will recover it in the future life. So time heals everything. You just need patience with the time and everything will be perfect in your life soon. And the fourth super tip I want to give to you for the lovely life is that what others think of you is none of your business. Like I know that some of the people are very judgmental. They judge the feelings, emotions of the other people quickly. So what others think of you is their business. Why you are thinking that? You should not think about their perspective. You have your own life. Enjoy your life. Make it beautiful. Create some beautiful memories with your family members and friends. Fifth logic for the lovely life is that no one is the reason of your happiness except you yourself. Friends, in the previous video also I considered this point is that whatever the internal satisfaction and happiness you will get, it's within you. How you make yourself happy? By doing the interesting activities, by becoming more creative, it's up to you. Others may give you the happiness only for the shorter period of the time, but the permanent and the lifelong happiness remains within you. So my dear friends, find the happiness internally, not externally. And the next logic for a beautiful and blessed life is that smile, because every problem you don't own. People are suffering from the different problems. They have the challenges in the life. So don't consider that you are the only person who have the problems and the difficulties in the life. So it is important that smile, have a smile on your face, because smile and the laughter is the remedy of all the problems. It's the best therapy. If you smile on regular basis, have a smile, it means that you are spreading happiness among the others also. And this gives you a sense of relief and peace of mind also. Friends, and the last logic for the lovely and happiest life is that stop overthinking. Friends, it's believable that you don't have the answers of all the questions. So just chill out in your life, enjoy the activities what you are doing, stop doing overthinking. You are blessed and life is very beautiful. So friends, I hope that you find this video interesting and leave some comments in the comment box for making me feel more encouraged for making the videos. And thank you for your appreciation and feedback. Subscribe my channel and share it with others. Thank you, friends.